I want to go ahead and tell you how to remove this bleach dispenser in your washing machine. So how you access it is obviously you just open up your washer here. Now, reasons you would want to remove this, or if it's not draining, obviously you could just poke a hole through the top here and, you know, do it that way. But this one had a lot of buildup on the bottom when I was taking it apart, so I want to go ahead and remove it. So what you can do, I've got my screwdriver, my flathead screwdriver, and I'm just popping this up like that. Now I'm going to be careful because it's got some bleach buildup on the bottom, so I might have to kind of come around the sides and pry open and kind of come around the back, but I can tell it's loose here as well. And I'm going to show you what it looks like here. So you can actually see, I'm going to hold it up for you. Look at all that buildup on the bottom here. We're just going to clean this off and replace it, because what you don't want to happen is this top hole here is to get clogged up. You can just clean this off with soap and water. The bleach goes down this hole and it goes outside of the main drum, and there's a compartment. You can kind of see it there. It kind of just goes straight down. So it's a separate compartment rather than just the bleach going straight into the top of the clothes there. So that's what happens there. So we just go ahead and clean off this top part here. If you've got crusted areas, which we had a lot of, almost to the point of where it was clogging up the holes. And then the way it goes back in, it's pretty simple. It's got this front tab that just goes underneath here. So that goes in first. Make sure it's pressed all the way this way. And then just press it down. And you'll hear that click there. It should be flush on all sides. You've got a clear hole there. And then you can always check. You can kind of look underneath. And if you've got a ton of buildup under there, then it's, you know, you can go ahead and remove it and clean it out. I mean, a fast fix as well, you can always just take a screwdriver, clear out the hole if you need to do that. Hope this video helped, guys, and check out this next vid.